Welcome to CertEra. In this video, we are going to learn about the ordering and installation procedure of Rapid SSL Wildcard with Automation Plan. This certificate will automate the wildcard certificate without the need of manual reissue and renewal. I have added the product to the cart. Now I have filled up the billing details to complete the payment. Click on Enroll now, and it will take you to the enrollment page of the order. Here you have to enter the wildcard domain for which the certificate is required. It will ask me the installation method, whether to use AutoInstall or ACME protocol. I have selected AutoInstall method. I will then agree to the agreement and submit the order. Click on Order Number. Click on the SSO link shown, which takes you to the product page of AutoInstall. Now click on the agent installation instructions. In this video, I am using Apache web server to install the certificate, so I will select Apache here, and method to validate will be by default DNS, and here I am using Cloudflare DNS. 3 steps to be followed. 1. Install the agent on Apache. 2. Create Cloudflare API credentials. 3. Use installation command combined with API credentials. I will start with installing the AutoInstall agent on the web server. Copy and paste in the Apache web server. The AutoInstall agent is installed on the web server now. Now I will use the last step to install the certificate with the API credentials. You can check the steps for creating the API credentials in the link shown. These are steps to create the API credentials. Now I will copy the command and paste in the web server. Here I have created the API token from Cloudflare using the steps shown in the article. I will copy and paste the API token created in the command. Click Enter. The wait time is around 1 to 10 minutes. Certificate is issued. Congratulations! The certificate is now installed on the web server. Now I will check in SSL Checker whether the certificate is installed correctly or not. Enter the domain name and check. We can now see that the certificate is installed correctly with Rapid SSL certificate and securing it. The certificate status on the order page will be changed to issued. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more content.